Daddy's shoveling and Brielle is playing in the snow. So much for the blizzard. Well, thank God it wasn't as bad. Because it could have been a lot worse, but he's making a snow angel. Just shut off my breakfast. Snow day, you know. You gotta do it right. Some ackee and saltfish with some fried dumplings with a twist in my ackee dough. Maybe you guys could try it sometime. Just put 2 or 3 strips of bacon, fry it up, and then break it up and put it in your ackee. And trust me, it's delicious. Brian's playing, what's that game called, Brian?
Indiana Jones.
Oh, Indiana Jones, okay.
Come on. Are you going to take a video of it?
I don't think
Come on. Yeah, that's the hat. Yes, yes.
I don't know. I don't like video games, but apparently he likes it, so I let him play for a little bit.
Huh?
Nothing. Oh, you got a treasure?
Yep, you always get treasure. Where's the Hi everybody, my name is...
What, you forgot your name?
My name is Brielle, and this is Abby, my baby sister, and this is my mommy. And the tail of the book is Where's My T-R-U-C-K? Where's my T-R-U-C-K?
Okay.
I hear my parents say Tommy is not himself today. He's lost his T-R-U-C-K. My brother says let's climb a tree. My sister says let's play house
No, she says play house with me.
Play house with me. But all I want to do
All I want to do
today is find my T-R-U-C-K. I look behind my closet door. I dig through every dresser drawer. I search my brother's pile of junks.
I look
in Grandma's smelly trunk. And under the bed.
Why are you eating your socks?
And
Sorry.
chair.
And underneath The bed and chair.
Chair. Behind the curtain. Oops, not there. I cannot find it anywhere. My brother tosses me a ball. My sister had me some dumb dolls.
Keep going. My mom.
My mom said it will be okay. My dad just shrugs and walks away. I want my TRUCK. I dump my empty box.
My what?
I dump my toy box on the floor. I look and
Look and look some more. Come on, keep going. I've never lost my truck before.
I go outside
Where could it be? Is it
under the tree?
underneath the tree?
Underneath the tree?
In the sandbox?
In the sandbox.
Over here. In the sandbox?
Maybe.
By the shed?
No.
Keep going.
Maybe in the flower bed. I climb up on the ladder.
Hey!
Is that my TRUCK? Whoa, wait. I look again, but still no truck.
No luck.
No
Brian,
luck.
look at the words.
Did someone steal my favorite truck? What?
Missy, leave my earrings and be
I
quiet.
had my red truck yesterday. A toy truck. A toy truck
can't just drive away.
It was in the dirt.
You don't know yet. Keep going.
I want my TRUCK.
Turn the page, Brian.
My brother
Hands me.
his green Jeep.
My dad says, I just need more.
Sleep.
My sister says,
come on, let's play. My
mom
just whispers, what a day. I want my TRUCK.
turn the page. Come on.
Turn the page. Come on.
Turn the page.
Turn the page. Turn the page. I do not want.
I don't, Brian.
I
Start looking at the words, right?
I don't want jeeps or cars or planes or boats or bikes or trikes or trains. I don't want green or blue or black. Only I only want my red truck back. I look once more out
on
down
the lawn.
the lawn. My truck is
My TRUCK is gone.
No, it's not.
I
love
that truck.
truck.
I love it I love it still.
I always, always, always will.
Turn the page.
Catch the bird. Catch the bird.
Abigail.
In trouble. In trouble.
Come on.
That truck.
All toys and tools and rocks.
Rocks.
Banana peels and dirty socks. Great big bones for
Bowser.
Wait.
Wait.
What's he doing by the gate? I'll help you finish. Bowser's dug a giant hole.
Oh.
Abby, something's buried by his bowl. Something kind of.
It's hooray! I found my TRUCK.
You reading too, Mama? You reading? No. Nothing. Stop yelling, Bri.
That was dinosaur. Come on, Bowser. Let's go play.
The end.
Yay!
Say thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for joining us today. And put your thumbs up.
Give us a thumbs up.
Give us the thumbs up if you like it. And give us a thumbs down if you
No, we don't want a thumbs down. Just thumbs up, right? And thank you for watching.
Subscribe.
Bye.
Bye. And subscribe for it.
Subscribe to our channel, right?
All
right. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Abby. Say bye-bye. Abigail did not care about the story.
So.
Okay, guys. This is just what I did today. Just spend the day with the kids. Brother had a snow day off from school. And so he went out and played in the snow for a bit. We just hung out, and of course you have to make him read because it's important to read every day. So thank you guys for watching, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye.